What's up guys, it's Cody with 3D Printing Technology. So for this week's video, I'm going to be going over mymanufactory.com. So mymanufactory.com is a website. I'm not sure if they have an app or not, but it's a site that allows you to upload or download 3D printable designs. It is similar to Thingiverse and pretty so community site. My manufacturer was created in 2013 with the intent of allowing the user to upload free object designs or upload paid object designs. One you can download freely, or the others have to pay some money to download. And they also promoted the printability of each file. It was focused on quality over quantity. They also have the largest collection of 3D scanned artifacts on a file sharing site, and they recently allowed the users to create online storefronts on their site, something similar to 3D Hubs but with a object design focus instead of a print on demand focus. Comparing this to Thingiverse, Thingiverse is quantity focused, and it was one of the first sites to be able to upload objects to that you can download the STL file from. Thingiverse, pretty community site, and My Manufactory is essentially the three most popular STL file sharing sites at the moment. So Thingiverse is all free STL files. My Manufactory has free STL files and some you can buy. So there's a chance for the creators to get paid on this site. And Pretty Community site is the same company that builds the Pretty MK3. So that's one reason they're popular, and they also allow you to upload G-code and download it too. So that's a different twist on the file sharing websites. So earlier this year, Thingiverse has been having some server issues where the site slows down for some reason, and in rare cases goes offline. So that's one reason some people have been trying out mymanufactory.com. And of course you get paid to do it, so that's going to attract some people as well. But recently it's been gaining popularity with Instagram users. That's what I've been seeing the most. mymanufactory.com prints and designs and such. But anyways, I thought I would make a video on this site since I haven't made one before. So I'll go over some of the website info, go through the website, show you different types of prints on it. Okay, so here is mymanufactory.com. I did some research and they do have an app. Not sure how good it is, but they do have one. But anyways, here's the website, My Manufactory. You have a login and sign up page. Then here's the home page. The homepage does look better than Thingiverse.com, but I suppose it can since it's a paid website. Since you pay for designs, I suppose they get a percentage of the profit to the mymanufactory.com. But I'm just going to go through the website, look around on it, see what's different than Thingiverse, and check out the different designs. So it looks like they do competitions more than Thingiverse. I haven't really checked that out on their website yet. So overall, so far, looks like I got some good designs on here. Might have to print a few of these. Competitions. Contribute, so you can open the store up yourself. Uploads, customize, or influence. Also got some 3D scanning opportunities. I guess we took out Build a 3 printer and see what that's got about. So they do have the download amount like Thingiverse does. So I'm gonna click on design and see what's on this page. So you got the title, the creator. So you can download it now, or you could donate $2, I suppose. There's the license info, then a little bit about it, comments, community prints. You got your pictures. Looks like Priester 3D has an account on this as well. So it looks like this website's getting better designers to it, since they offer payment for their designs. Which is different than Thingiverse. Thingiverse is free, so it gets designs, but not as high quality as you could, like this website does. So here is the Open a Store page. So the 3 printable files on my manufacturer. So it's $25 a month. And like I said, my manufacturer gets a percentage of the profit, 10%. That's not too bad. You still get to keep 90%. So you only have to make $25 plus to make a profit off this website per month. It's not too bad. And it got different cards and such. So here's some of the perks and info. So that's pretty much all this website is. Overall, the purpose of this video was to share with you a new battle sharing set that some of you may have not heard of. Something that's an alternative to Thingiverse or Producer Community set. And this one also allows some creators to get paid, which is different from the other two sets. But anyways, that's gonna wrap up the video for this week. If you're experiencing today's videos first, make sure to click subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.